What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Here is 8 things nobody tells you about motorcycle riding. Number 1, you will be chasing that feeling of the first time that you ride your bike. The first time you ride a really fast bike and you get on it. You're going tunnel vision and you don't know what's going on. You'll be chasing that feeling for the rest of your life. Never really getting it, but you'll be still chasing it. There's always hope. You'll find a bike that much faster than the bike you were riding that you're gonna get that feeling again. You'll probably be chasing it until you die. Actually, it's probably the reason you're gonna die, because you're chasing that feeling. Number 2, you stop caring about gas prices. We all hear like, everyone, don't buy SUVs because the gas prices are, when you ride a bike, nobody cares. I've never heard any rider complain or care about gas prices. 1, it's still worth the cost. It's still worth the amount of fun you're gonna have. 2, even if gas is like 15 bucks a gallon, it still costs you 7 bucks to fill your tank up. We are gassing up. We are literally 30 seconds into the trip. Didn't make it very far. The Rune, the Raider. What, your front tire?
Yeah, it's like fighting me like crazy.
So who cares? No one ever cares about gas prices. Number 3, you can always go lower than what you actually think. And I'm talking about going lower. I'm talking about going on the corner, taking the corner faster, getting lower on your tires. Think about the last time you thought you got really, really low. I'm talking like ghillie suit man, where you're like going down real low and you're like dragging your helmet on the asphalt. And then you go look at your tires and you realize you have like 1 inch of chicken strip lines. Trust me, you might be scared to go lower. Your bike is not scared to go lower. You can absolutely go lower until you can't, and then you can't go lower. Don't go any lower than that. Number 4, this is a problem. This is something that, don't make this mistake when you're buying a motorcycle. It's gonna waste you a little bit of time. Is you actually need motorcycle specific insurance when you're gonna buy a bike. You can't use when you buy a car and you're buying your second car, you can use your own car insurance card for your previous car. When you're buying a motorcycle, it's a whole different category of insurance. So if you already have one bike insured, you can use the insurance card for that bike for your next bike. But you have to have motorcycle specific insurance. Also, motorcycle insurance is really not that much. If you just get liability on your bike, it's a couple $100 a year. It's actually really, really cheap. Number 5, downshifting. So a motorcycle has a sequential gearbox. So it's, here's the shifter, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, you have to go through all the gears to get to the other gears. But when you're downshifting, if you don't do it properly and if you don't match the revs and ease into it, if you go for, let's say you're in 3rd, you're too high RPMs, you drop to 2nd, your tire will actually lock up for a second and could get you in a really, really hairy situation. I remember the first time it happened to me, I was horrified. But it was super awesome. I got through it. Number 6, you can feel the temperature. This is pretty cool. When you don't notice it when you're driving a car, maybe if you're driving a convertible, probably not. You can actually feel the temperature changing when you're going in different elevation changes. You normally feel it at night on a cool summer day. But you're driving in the mountains, you go up, it gets a little warmer, you get down, it starts getting real cold. It's actually something no one ever told you. Number 7, your city, you don't know this right now if you're driving a car. But when you start riding a motorcycle, you realize your city has a bug problem. And I'm not talking about a normal bug problem, I'm talking like a drastic bug problem. You're gonna start seeing these giant bugs hitting you right in the face, about to crack your windshield, your helmet visor. If you ever get hit with one of these bugs in your face, it's like getting punched. They're awesome. Huge bugs, super crazy. Trust me, your city has a bug problem, you just don't know it yet. Number 8, getting passed by a large vehicle or a tractor trailer. It's like a wind tunnel. You're over here cruising, you're a little scared, you're only going 65, you're going the speed limit, whatever, and some big tractor trailer passes you, you feel it. It actually pushes you over a little bit. It's actually pretty wild. If you're a new rider, it's pretty horrifying. So that's legit, that happens. I've also been on the other end of it, where I'm driving a car and a bike passes me going like 150 miles an hour, and I felt the wind from that thing. So that was pretty wild. Number 9, girls do not care what type of motorcycle you're riding. You could drive 100 grand on your bike. I don't think any girl actually cares. They just want to know that you are riding a motorcycle. If you're a guy on a motorcycle, they're like, ooh, that guy's got a motorcycle. Except for a Harley Sportster. If you're on, the girls know, they know all motorcycles, and they also know Harley Sportsters. They're like, oh, he's riding a Sportster, ass lame. No, I'm just kidding. They like the Sportster too. All right, guys, that wraps it up. 8 things you did not know about riding motorcycles. We'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. We do test drives and tons of other fun things on the channel. See you guys later. What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video. And as always, click down here to subscribe. And here's the next fun video if you guys will watch. We'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, I wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes, and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. We're pumped.